In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a shortcut for any file or folder in Google Drive. This is really useful if you keep jumping between different folders or if you want quick access to shared files without moving or duplicating them. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to create shortcuts confidently and keep your Drive much more organized. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account, then open Google Drive in your browser. You can do this by going to the main Google Drive page or by opening it from the Google Apps menu if you're already in another Google service. Once Drive is open, you'll see your folders on the left and your files and folders in the main area. Next, find the file or folder you want to create a shortcut for. This could be something in your My Drive, in a shared drive, or in Shared with Me. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right item, especially if you have several with similar names. A shortcut will simply point to this original item, it will not create a copy, and it will not move the original. Now, right-click on that file or folder. If you're on a trackpad, that might mean a two-finger click. On a mouse, it's the usual right mouse button. When you right-click, a menu will appear with several options like Preview, Open With, Share, and so on. From this menu, look for the option labeled Organize. Hover your mouse over Organize, and another small menu will slide out. Here, click on Add Shortcut. This is the key step. You're telling Google Drive that you don't want to move or copy the file. You simply want a shortcut that links back to it from another location. As soon as you click Add Shortcut, a window will pop up asking where you want to place this shortcut. This is where you choose the destination folder. You can click through your folders in My Drive or switch to a shared drive if you want the shortcut to live there. Take your time here and think about where you'll actually look for this item in the future. Shortcuts work best when they're in places that match how you think about your projects. If you need a new folder to keep things tidy, you can create one in advance and then select it here. Once you've navigated to the folder where you want the shortcut, make sure it's highlighted so you know that's the spot where the shortcut will be placed. Finally, click the Add Shortcut button in the bottom corner of that window. Drive will create the shortcut in the location you chose. You'll usually see a small arrow icon on the file or folder indicating that this is a shortcut and not the original item. The original file stays exactly where it was, with the same permissions and the same contents. That's all there is to it. You've just created a shortcut to a file or folder in Google Drive, making it easier to access from multiple locations without cluttering your storage or losing track of where the original lives.